Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. At the bottom we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so you just click on it, you check for updates, and we have it. So firstly click download and then click install. Now don't use your earbuds, just wait until this update is finished, and I'm going to speed up it for you. And now completed update look like this, so just click on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!